Hello, I'm Danilo, I'm the founder of Turbo, and today we're going to do a quick demo of it and show you why Turbo replaced all other database tools for me. So basically, for us to get started, I want to say why I decided to build Turbo. All other database tools I was using were really slow, they were ugly, like they were made a few decades ago, and they had no AI integrated in them. So anytime I wanted to use AI to write a query for me, because I didn't want to think about SQL, I just wanted results, I had to go to ChatGPT, ask for it to make the change, give it a bunch of context about my tables, and then paste it back and see the results of it. So in Turbo, I tried to solve all these problems, and we'll see in today's demo how we do that. So let's get started. When you first launch Turbo, you have to add the same email as you purchased on, and it will give you access to it. And you have a simple button to add a connection, like we have here. We can add three types of connection for now, but I'll be increasing these really soon. You can add Postgres, MySQL, and MariaDB. You can import them from a URL, or you can configure them manually, passing all the things that we need to connect to a database. And you can enable SSL if that's necessary for your flow. After you connect, you after you enter the information, you can test the connection, as you can see here, and it will auto connect you to your database. But the next time you open Turbo, this option here will be unset. So this is an option to auto connect on next launch. It will auto connect to the last connection that you have. So it's like it saves a little bit of time, but every time that you open it, it's a really powerful feature because yeah, you don't have to pick the one you want to connect to. It's already there, already in your query editor. And also, I misclicked there. Let me go back. Uh, but yeah, it's really powerful. And here you can also edit. You can copy the URL, you can delete the connection. And let's say we want to connect to this second one. So we just press the shortcut, Command 2. It already connects almost instantly. And here we are. You will be shown this, a simple query, and the AI chat here, the output and the sidebar. The query here, it has autocomplete for simple SQL stuff. So all this normal stuff that you do in SQL, like joins, so on, it autocompletes that. But it also autocompletes to the tables, the table names. It does that, and if, like, let's say you're writing something and you want to autocomplete, if you wait a little bit, AI should come in and should, yeah, like we see here, it's already a suggestion from AI. But yeah, and then you can just do Command Enter and run, and boom, here we are. We can see all the data in a nice table. We can search for anything here, like if we search for 17, each of these have 17, so let's search for crisp, it just gave me these two. I can view it in table, I can view it in JSON, like this. I can copy values from anywhere in the JSON, as you can see this little icon here. I can copy values from the table as well. If I press Command C, I copy the single cell that I was on. But if I press Command Shift C, I copy the entire row. I can format the Excel, the SQL. If it was like broken, it formats. I can copy raw, JSON, CSV. I can download any of them to CSV, Excel, JSON. As you can see how long it took, the number of results. And now if you go here to the AI chat, it's where it gets really powerful and where it actually will save you time. I already have some tests here, but let's say I want to select all clans whose ID starts with the letter T. I can run it, and since it has the auto applying on, it auto applies. I can just do Command Enter, and boom, it ran. That worked. I can revert back to any point of the conversation as well, just like cursor does. I can go back, and the like a really powerful thing here with this AI is that it knows your database schema, so you don't have to keep giving it a bunch of context. If you mention a table by name, or if it's in your query, it will be injected into the context, so it will give you better results, way better results. So yeah, I can do like select only the clans that uh, that were created in 2020. I can run that, and as you can see, it's only the ones in 2020. Okay, I think this is it for the queries tab. Uh, if you go to the second one, which is the databases tab, we have all the information for your database, all the schemas of them. So you can expand to see like the columns and the archetypes. So let's say you are writing your query, you want to see like what is in clan. So I can click on it, I can copy, and yeah, there we have the description. I can and if I double click on it, I open the table viewer, which has like a bunch of stuff. This is all your records. We show 250 at a time. So if there were more, here we have 147. So if there were more, uh, we would be able to go into each page. Here we can do the same stuff. Copy it. We can filter for it, and yeah. For now, this is all that you can do in the table. But in the really near future, we'll be able to like inline edit stuff, like double click here and edit the value, save it. We'll be able to create new tables directly from the UI to edit the schemas of the table, add new columns, so on. All that's coming really soon. I'm really excited for it. And yeah, this was the demo. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you give TurboSQL a shot, and it might replace your old SQL tools. Okay, see you guys.